Hello students. In first video we have taken information about the motions of the moon, the phases of the moon, then we have also studied why eclipses takes place and solar eclipse in detail. In this second video of the second lesson we are going to take information about lunar eclipses. If the earth is in between the sun and the moon, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. At such a time, these three celestial bodies are in the same plane and fall in one line. The lunar eclipse occurs when the moon enters the shadow of the earth while revolving around itself. There are two types of lunar eclipse: total lunar eclipse and partial lunar eclipse. On a full moon day, sometimes the moon is totally hidden within the thick shadow of the earth. That time it is called as a total lunar eclipse. Partial lunar eclipse means on a full moon day, sometimes only a part of a moon is hidden within the thick shadow of the earth. Such a condition is called as a partial lunar eclipse. Now children, we are going to see the characteristics of lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse always occur on a full moon day, but not on every full moon day. Occur if and only if the sun, the earth and the moon are in the same plane and fall in the line. The maximum duration of a total lunar eclipse is 107 minutes. We need to study the characteristics of solar eclipse also. Solar eclipse occur on a new moon day, but not on every new moon day. Occur if only the sun, the moon and the earth are in the same plane and fall in the one line. The maximum duration of total solar eclipse is 7 minutes and 20 seconds. But this time on 21st June, you have observed that complete 5 hours solar eclipse in Maharashtra and all over the India. Eclipse, an astronomical event. A solar eclipse or a lunar eclipse is just an astronomical event. This is nothing auspicious or inauspicious about this event. Eclipses are just a result of sun, the earth and the moon being in a specific position. There is a lot of curiosity about eclipses because an eclipse is not a regular occurrence. So many kind of superstitious ideas are there in the mind of people. Eclipse, an opportunity for the study. Eclipses are particularly total or annular. Solar eclipses present great opportunities for study for scientists and for us in the field of astronomy. Scientists from all over the world make it point to visit the location where such events are going to occur. They carry out elaborate the studies of eclipses in this condition. Children, we need to take certain precautions while seeing the solar eclipse. We should use the dark film, dark film or dark color goggles while seeing the solar eclipse. We should not see directly with the help of open eyes the solar eclipse. Our eyesight may get damaged. Special goggles are made. Particular films are made. We should use these films while seeing these solar eclipses. So children, this is all about the eclipses. We studied solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, their types, when they occur and what is the effect of solar eclipse and lunar eclipse in this lesson. After my lecture, I am going to give you assignments. So children, do this assignment in your classwork notebook. Thank you.